As you know, I'm a wedding photographer. I live in the world of love and all things pretty and like taking care of people and like being romantic. And so I thought it'd be very fun today to share with you 5 last minute date ideas. Patrick is home today. I don't really know if he has plans. We've never been people who really like do these like big all out Valentine's Day things. I normally buy myself flowers like year round. Patrick's the kind of man that buys me like Apple Watches and new cars, so I don't mean to sound bougie, but like he thinks that it's like such an over commercialized day. If that's you, can I get an amen? I get it. I'm not mad at my husband because of that. If anything, it just makes Valentine's Day kind of fun because we get to do stuff that we don't normally do. So I have 5 ideas. Oh wait, before I say that though, I have to show you. Make sure you go get your love donuts. So I don't even like Boston creams, but how cute are these? I like love them. These are my absolute favorite, just the strawberry frosted ones. They're like, they never get old. They're so good. Okay, let's keep going. So 5, I'm coming at you with 5 last minute date ideas. So if you don't know what to do today for the person that you love, here's an idea. Number 1, go ice skating. Unless you're like in like, I don't know, where can you go ice skating? Like in a warm place, I guess? Arizona, does Arizona have ice rinks maybe inside? Ice skating is a great Valentine's Day option. Patrick took me years ago and it was so much fun. We don't even know how to ice skate. We can snowboard, we can ski, we absolutely cannot ice skate. It was really fun. We laughed like the whole time. So go for it. Spend a couple hours ice skating. You can rent what's it called? Ice skates there. And that could be very fun. Number 2, make a movie theater in your bedroom. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you can like basically layer pillows, make it like movie style, bring your cushions from your couch like into your bedroom, make it super cozy, bring in blankets, then order pizza, get ice cream, and get all that junk candy from the Walmart kiosk, okay? Get a TV. If you don't have a TV in your bedroom, bring one in, put it up on a stand, make it really fun. Put like whatever you need to in the windows to make it dark, and it's super fun. Number 3, get an online cooking class virtually. So you're in your kitchen, you're cooking, but you have an instructor. Pretty sure there's some Groupons for them. Pretty sure you can find one in your city. So a really fun date night for Valentine's Day that's like really special. Have the dinner table already preset really pretty, and then surprise your loved one with a cooking class. Number 4, bake blindfold. Guys, this is like next level and like really fun. But you basically blindfold each other at different times. So one person is like teaching the other person, but that person is blindfolded. It's supposedly really fun. I've never done it. I feel like because we're both a little bit perfectionists, we would be like laughing the whole time, but then peeking because we actually want to make sure that whatever we bake is good. So if that's not for you, don't do it, but it could be really fun. And then last but not least, we just did this recently, but get in a bubble bath together, okay? So if you don't have an oversized tub, we don't have one. The one that we have here in our house, like basically fits my kids and that's about it. But we recently shot a wedding in Cancun, Mexico, and the resort, the bathroom had an oversized tub, and we both got in. I intentionally brought bubble bath because I knew that they had one. I also took a rose from the wedding that we shot and I tore it up and threw it in the bathtub, and so Patrick and I both got it in the bathtub. It was awesome. So if you don't have an oversized bathtub, go get a hotel room. What a great night anyway to get a hotel room. It's Valentine's Day. Do the normal, whatever you want to do during the day, but then get there, get situated, turn the bathtub on, throw some flowers in with some bubble bath, and just enjoy the night soaking together, having some quiet time, dreaming a little bit together, and just enjoying each other. So I hope these 5 last minute Valentine's Day date ideas are fun. If you end up doing one of them, comment below. I'd love to know how it went. I don't need the messy details. Don't like give me too much details, but would love to know if this was helpful to you guys. Hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. We love you all, and we'll see you back here soon.